Ford Mustang V6 True Dual. Make sure you guys subscribe if you like it. Again. Woo! Man, that's loud. It's like earwax shaking. Woo! Again. There you go. 119. That's crazy. There's the mid resonator we deleted. Dual in, dual out. So now it's true dual with an X pipe. You always want to put an X pipe when you can, unless you want it obnoxiously loud, because the X pipe equalizes the back pressure and takes a little bit of the rasp away, as you guys can hear. Really beautiful Mustang. Not too bad for a V6. Go ahead. Woo! I like it. That don't sound too bad at all. It's a V6 Chevy Camaro. That sounds really good. Sound decibels, go ahead. It peaked at 107. Go ahead and back it up. Give it gas. REV.